Welcome to today's worksheet. Activity 1. Find out the problems caused by water scarcity. Wells, rivers and ponds are drying up. Water is not available for drinking, bathing and other purpose. The paddy field is drying up. Agriculture is destroyed. The plants and trees are drying up. Shortage in drinking water. Animals and birds will not get water. Electricity production will be reduced. Activity 2. Conversation between dry wood and green wood. Here is a conversation between a green tree and a dry tree. Green tree. Oh dear, what happened to you? Dry tree. I am dried up. I will die soon. Green tree. What happened? I will help you. Dry tree. There is no water. All birds went away. No one came here to have some shade. Green tree. I am living near to the pond, so I get some water. Dry tree. You are lucky, but I don't have. Green tree. There is no rain here. Dry tree. We can't do anything. All causes by humans' bad activities. Let's pray for rain. Green tree. Okay, dear. Activity 3. How water is wasted. Here are some situations how water is wasted. Overflowing of water tanks, leaking of taps, leaving the shower open unnecessarily, washing vessels directly under tap, using too much water for watering plants, leaving pipe open while brushing teeth, bathing animals with pipe water directly. Activity 4. This is a textbook activity, page number 40. My right and wrong. Here are some situations. If the situation is right according to you, put a tick mark, and if the situation is wrong according to you, put a cross mark. I do not leave the tap open while brushing teeth. I close taps when I see them left open. I use the water used for washing vessels to water the vegetable garden and flower garden. I say no when I see people wasting water. I inform the people concerned when I see wastage of water from broken public taps. Activity 5. Here we have to complete the table. How water is wasted and how to solve that. Overflowing of water tanks. Turn off the motor in correct time. Leaking of taps. Repair the taps. Leaving the shower open unnecessarily. Close the shower. Washing vessels directly under tap. Use buckets and mugs to wash vessels. Using too much water for watering plants. Water plants as requires. Leaving pipe open while brushing teeth. Never leaves pipe open while brushing. Bathing animals with pipe directly. Use buckets and mugs. Thank you.